we'll be learning about like multiplying the algebraic expression. So in algebra, like we have types of equation that will have monomial. That's the first one, monomial. So what is monomial? Monomial, like it has one term. For example, such as, I'll just do an example, 7x squared, x squared, etc. So okay, number 2, we have binomial. Binomial has two terms. So you'll see it, for example, 3x squared plus 2. It have 1, 2. It have two terms. Two terms. Monomial has one term. Number 3, we have trinomial. For example, 3x squared plus 2x plus 2. 1, 2, 3. It means it have three terms. Number 4, we have polynomial. This one has a lot of terms, so such as 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, so this is algebraic expressions. We have monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Okay, so let's learn how to multiply these algebraic expressions. So number 1, let's multiply monomial by binomial. So x times x plus 2. So you are given this. So how to multiply? You're gonna take this x, you multiply this one that is inside, and also take this x and multiply this positive 2. Okay, so I'm gonna make a bracket here, x times x plus this sign that is here, x times 2. So our answer here, x times x, that's gonna be x squared plus x times 2, that's gonna be 2x. This is how we multiply. This is how we multiply monomial by binomial. So okay. Number 2, let's learn how to multiply binomial by binomial. Multiplying binomial by binomial. Multiplying binomial by binomial. Okay. X minus 2 close bracket, open bracket. Okay. You're gonna choose x plus 2. Okay. What do you do if like you're given something like this? What you do, you have to separate it first to make it easier for yourself. Then you're gonna say x plus 2, x times open bracket. So like we are taking this one, you multiply with this bracket, and also this negative 2 and multiply with everything that is in this bracket. Then minus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, You have to make it simple like this for yourself to understand. Then you're going to take this x, multiply x times x times positive 2x times x, that's going to be x squared. X times 2, that's going to be positive 2x. Then this negative 2 times this x, that's going to be negative 2x. Then negative 2 again times this positive 2, that's going to be negative 4. Then we have the like terms. Group the like terms. You have to group the like terms, which is this one. So we're going to say x squared plus 2x minus 2x. Okay, it's like plus 2 minus 2. So like this, they're going to cancel each other. Then we are left with 0 for this. Then we are left with minus 4. And it's like our answer is this one. Great. So this is how you multiply binomial and binomial. Then number 4. Let's learn how to multiply monomial and trinomial. Multiplying monomial by trinomial. Okay, monomial times trinomial, which is x squared plus 2xy plus 3. Then you're going to multiply this by this by that, x and 3. You get it, right? Okay. Then x times x squared, that's going to be x cubed. Then x times 2xy, that's going to be positive 2x squared y. Then x times 3, that's going to be positive 3x. Positive 3x. Great. So this is how our answer look. Great. Number 5. Let's multiply. Okay, now we've done monomial and trinomial. Now let's multiply binomial and trinomial. Multiply binomial and trinomial. And trinomial. Okay, great. So okay, we are given x minus y, that is multiplying x squared plus 2xy plus 3. Great. So in the previous one, like I said, like if you have binomial, you have to separate. Then you're gonna say x times x squared plus 2xy plus 3. So why are we doing this? Because we want to make it simple for us, right? For those ones like who are still struggling on multiplying these algebraic expressions. So okay, like this. Then the x gonna multiply this, then the x gonna multiply 2xy, and it's gonna also multiply 3. The negative will multiply x squared and also multiply 2xy and also multiply positive 3. Okay, let's get the answer now. Then x times x squared, that's gonna be x cubed. Then x times positive 2xy, that's gonna be what? Positive 2x squared y. You see? Then x times positive 3, that's going to be plus 3x. Then, okay, now we are moving to this one. Negative y times x squared, that's going to be negative x squared y. Then negative y times positive 2xy, that's going to be what? Negative 2xy squared, because we're multiplying y times y is y squared. Okay, negative y times positive 3, that's going to be what? Negative 3y. Great. So now, before you move that like this one is your final answer, you have to check if we have like terms. Okay, so okay, let's check that we have like terms. We have this one, negative xy, and also 2x squared y. Great, that's our like term. So positive 2x squared y minus x squared, what that's going to be left with? Positive x squared y plus 3x minus 3y. Great. So this is our answer. Okay. Number 6, we are having x minus 2 squared. This one's the product of two binomials. Okay. I write it here. Product of two binomials. Two binomials. Great. So in this one, you have to expand. If you are given x minus 2 squared, something like this, as a product of two binomials, you have to expand, right? So when you expand, you're going to say x minus 2, that is multiply x minus 2. So avoid this mistake. Many learners, they confuse this. If we have x minus 2 squared, they come and distribute this the exponent of 2 here. So avoid doing this. This is wrong. You don't do this. This is wrong. Okay, because this is wrong. So because if you do this, this is gonna give us x squared minus 4, because if like you are using 2 squared is 4, like this, because like, there's no bracket, because there's a difference between negative 2 that is in bracket like this, which will give us 4, and negative 2 squared, which will be negative 4. Note this. This is very wrong. So you do this, you expand. This is the correct way. You expand, then you distribute, right? You're gonna say x times x minus 2, negative 2, x minus 2, the usual. So okay, now you're gonna multiply x times x, that's gonna be x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then negative 2 times negative 2, that's going to be positive 4. Do we have like terms? Yes, these are the like terms. Then our answer is going to be x squared minus 4x plus 4. Great. So this is how you multiply the algebraic expressions.